Hey guys, what I do to rough up my intake ports for JB Weld, I use this Dremel tile cutting bit, turn about 10,000 RPM. What I do is I let it cut like that and rough it all up so that JB Weld has a place to stick. You go all around in the port. It'll leave it real rough. And when you're done, you just blow the chips out. Don't wash it out with anything. Don't use brake clean. It'll leave a residue in there, and you have a chance for your JB Weld to come out. Pretty good. It's already had JB Weld in it. I'm just making sure everything's rough, nice. And it's done right. It's not coming out of there. Definitely not coming out of there. Okay. That looks pretty good. Yep. Okay. Just, that's it. That's what I do. I just blow it up like that. It'll show up, yeah. It's that rough looking texture layer. You guys see it? Rough looking texture. Yeah, that's what you want. So, yep. Just get JB Weld. Let me get the package here. It's the stuff I use right here. Never had a problem. When it's in there, it's pretty hard to get it back out. I've actually tried to chip it with a screwdriver, and it was pretty tough. So, okay guys, I'd show you that little tip. Next time, keep on feeling the heat.